We're gonna show you 4 easy ways to build a fire. Number 1, the Mound Method. We have our mound built. We're gonna insert some fire starters. We've got some of these biomass cubes, as well as these little tumbleweeds that we have. So we're just gonna place them throughout our mound and light those. Once we start hearing some crackling, an indication that fire has started, we are gonna turn on our variable speed fan, pushing more oxygen to that fire, creating combustion and helping start that fire a little bit quicker. Number 2, the charcoal chimney. Today we're using charcoal briquettes. You can also use lump hardwood charcoal. Start by lighting a couple of fire starters and placing your full chimney on top. The chimney will do the rest of the work from here. Now you can see that our flame has penetrated all the way through our chimney. Our coals on top are starting to get a white, ashy color to them. So now we know it's time to dump it out and create a nice, even cooking bed. We're gonna dump our coals on one specific side of our Wyldside to create an indirect cooking environment. Number 3, the log cabin. Really simple fire here. Just pretend like you're playing with those Lincoln logs you had as a kid. Start with a fire starter down below and stack your wood on top. The key here is to make sure that you have good airflow. Don't stack your wood too tight or too loose. Once you have a good bed of coals established, you can flatten those out to make an even cooking bed. Number 4, teepee method. Not toilet paper, but we're gonna pitch a tent. Begin with your fire starter and carefully lay your wood on top around the fire starter, resembling a teepee. Always remember to have good airflow. Light the fire starter and walk away. Now the only thing that's left is to lower the grates and get to cooking. We just showed you 4 ways to build a fire. There's hundreds and hundreds of ways to do it. Guys, just get out there, get wild, and we'll see you at the RECTEQ.